Good morning everyone. Basa tayo ng kapalaran ni Ralph Lyon pag-vlogs and kapwa Sagittarius. October 19, 2021. Venus sextile Mars. Popularity can easily soar with opposite sex now, and mixing business with pleasure can be successfully integrated. Good business practices can pay off in very positive ways. This is considered to be an excellent transit for women to become pregnant. Hala, yung mga ano dyan, yung mga gustong magkaanak, October 19, maganda. Emotional distractions can get in the way of important issues now, so try to keep your emotions in check. Business and finances are favored, and secret behind the scenes activities can easily work to your advantage. Secret love affairs can be kept secret as it ano ba yan? Secret love affairs can be kept secret as it should be, and your personal assertion level will be high. Your tone of voice will be soft-spoken, and infatuations can arise quite suddenly and passionately. Changes in appearance can take place now, making favorable impressions on everyone. This is a wonderful transit to go out and flirt with someone as well. Ano ba yan? Ba't makikipag-flirt? No, ulitin nyo guys. This is a wonderful transit to go out and flirt with someone as well. Pag boyfriend mo, di okay lang makipag-flirt. O kaya asawa mo, okay lang makipag-flirt. Pero kung hindi mo naman karelasyon, huwag ka na makipag-flirt. Ganun lang yun. October 20, 2021, Mars opposes Node. Use only traditional methods in business. Ang iksi niya, nakalagay guys, sa October 20, 2021, Mars opposes Node. Use only traditional methods in business, profession, and politics now, as any other methods will be unpopular. Ayoko na nga ng politics. Masyadong komplikado yun. May stress ka lang dyan. October 21, 2021. Basahin natin hanggang 21 ha. October 21, 2021, Sun Square Moon. Sun Square Moon. Pride can really get you in trouble. Ayan, ma-pride tayo. Pride can really get you in trouble, especially now. Ibaba na natin yung pride natin, guys. You may easily offend others with what you say now, so try to be more considerate of others. Disagreements will occur with others now because it's just one of those times when it cannot be avoided. Authority over you can be questioned, and your reactions will be less than tolerable. Stress is caused by inner conflict and is unresolved during this transit. Try to find the cause. Ito, kuhanin nyo guys, yung mga payo ni astrologer. Nakalagay sa kanya, try to find the cause of the turbulence in your life. A loss of confidence is possible now, and you may want to spend some time by yourself temporarily. Kung sa bagay, sometimes gusto ko talaga mapag-isa. Ewan ko sa kapwa ko Sagittarius. Differing value standards can cause disagreements, so find a way around obstacles rather than through them. You can expect to be somewhat irritable, upset, emotional, or frustrated at this time. Avoid spending for the next couple of days because you will only buy junk. Huwag daw bumili guys. Huwag daw mamili. Avoid spending for the next couple of days because you will only buy junk. Yung mga basura. You didn't need, and when this is over, you'll admit it to yourself. Save yourself some money and don't gamble at this time. O wag magsugal, mga kapwa ko Sagittarius. Hindi nga ako marunong Alam ko lang pares-pares. Bye everyone. God bless.